Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make honey fried bananas. It's real good and it's very healthy too. Let's get started. Alright, get a small bowl and get some honey. I got a couple tablespoons worth. Put that in there. I'm using organic honey, which is healthy. I think anywhere from a quarter of a cup to half a cup of warm water. Well, I want to give this a stir. To get a frying pan, turn the heat to medium, and don't add some sort of coconut oil, just use coconut oil, which is so awesome to cook with. I got a couple tablespoons or so. So once this is heated, chuck in a couple bananas that you cut up. Now we just want to fry each side for a couple minutes, 1-2 minutes or so, and turn over, do it for another 2 minutes. Now this might take a little bit longer, it depends on how thick you cut with the banana. I cut the pretty thick, so I'll probably leave them for about 3 minutes on each side, but make sure you don't burn them, for sure. So as you can see, I'm flipping the bananas over. This banana got bad. Those are done. Now, we just turn the heat off, and then get the honeysuckle in warm water. Just pour it over the banana. And then you just let this marinate for about a couple minutes. Now, you can sprinkle with some cinnamon sugar if you want, that's optional. Alright, now you just serve. Yeah. Now, you can also sprinkle some extra cinnamon sugar if you want. Oh, beautiful. Now, let's eat it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for honey fried bananas, as you can see. Yeah, and it's also very healthy, so if anyone is on Weight Watcher, this is a recipe for you. As you can see, oh, beautiful. Oh, scrumptious. So, thank you guys so much for watching another recipe on my cooking channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.